Assalamu alaikum to all. Warm welcome to all of you here. Myself, Ayub Khan, Senior Manager, International Services. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. All the prayers to those patients who they are in pain. May Allah help them to find the correct path and correct place of their treatment. Do I believe that all type of treatments such as medical, surgical, therapies and other are available at many places in the city. But few centers are well equipped and maintained and low cost. And from here, I would like to surprise you that our TX hospital are one and only affordable hospital in the city with excellent consultants and best medical management to be attached with you, us, a TX family. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Already you people are actually served with the brochure of the institute, which gives you all the facilities available and all the consents available that is listed. Only thing what I would like to say is, this hospital, if you say in Hyderabad, the hospitals are grouped in two groups. One is a corporate hospital as a non-corporate hospital. Corporate hospital is the one wherein you will have supposed to have all the treatment in a protocolized way and meeting the international standards. As there are international clients here, so we are, I would like to say this institute also works like a corporate style and also having all the accreditations of accreditation bodies, quality accreditation bodies of various bodies of national, international repute. And the thing is, the work like corporate style, work like international level, international protocols we are following, but only difference between other corporate hospitals, the corporate hospital is we are trying to make it as affordable as possible to all the patients.
Good evening all. I'm Dr. Srikanth, Chief Operating Officer of TX Hospitals, taking care of Opal unit now. TX Hospitals, it's our second year in operations in Hyderabad. Currently we are holding 2 branches. So we have started our first branch in Uppal, second branch in Kachiguda. Within 2 years, in healthcare fraternity group, that we made our own fingerprint. Now everyone in the health fraternity group knows about TX hospital for its health care, for its facility, for its doctors. And prior to say any words about our facility and our doctors, I would really congratulate and appreciate our international marketing for such a wonderful coordination. Wonderful guys. And a very hearty welcome from the facilitator from different countries, Sudan, Somalia. So thank you for coming. And coming to services, TX hospital is now growing larger and larger. Currently we holding 2 branches. So within couple of months now we're going to have 2 more branches in Hyderabad. Not only in Hyderabad. So our mission, our vision is to lead the regions. The region is not only limited to Hyderabad. So we are growing at a larger speed and expanding our hospitals in different states as well. So very soon we have plans to expand TX hospitals not only in northern states of India. We are also having plans to expand TX hospitals in another countries as well.
Good evening to all. I am Dr. Shakuntala, gynecologist in TX Hospital. I think everyone knows we are providing quality care regarding the obstetrics and gynec. All gynec and all obstetric surgeries we are doing here with good quality by taking support from the anesthetist and ICU team and good surgeon also, Dr. Nadirian Narayan sir. And, so please, any type of surgeries, any complicated surgeries we are taking in TX Hospital with nominal charges.
I'm sure Dr. Srikanth, my colleague, have updated you about the TX hospitals and the way we have been progressing in the medical industry. I just want to tell a couple of words that our vision or mission when it comes to our healthcare, providing healthcare, is to provide affordable yet quality healthcare. That is something that you don't find it everywhere. So our exact goal is to give you the best of healthcare possible by our most experienced surgeons as well as doctors, yet at affordable prices.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed, I'm from Sudan. I have been in this medical tourism for about 7 years, I can say. Well, we have seen service from different hospitals in the city or across India. The issues that we face, let me be honest today, please, don't mind. Most of the issue is delaying and some service from the hospital, not all the hospitals, but some of the hospitals regarding the quotation invitations and the highest quotation. And nowadays, patients become very smart. They send the report before coming to India or Hyderabad. They send it to many centers. They find out where is the less quotation, the cost, and they go there direct. So here we lose if the hospital give higher quotation, okay? And regarding the issues that in the hospitals keep happening, that I have seen the food service, because of the security, they do not allow the output to be sent to the patient. Okay, so the hospital here should prepare something very special for the international patient. Okay, exactly, less spices and less oil. Moreover, I have seen this during the accommodation of the patient inside the hospital, that the nursing staff, few of the nursing staff only know how to deal with the international patient. So please take this consult, please. Yeah, these people, they have promised me that for the next time that they will take care of that. At least they will hire experience. Thank you very much for that.
Hey everyone, my name is Ahmed Abdurrahman Mohammed. I'm from Somalia. I'm very happy to be here today with TX. I and my friends actually we came from very far to Lichoki. So what my request is that the hospital and the management, what I'm requesting you is that to shift the hospital or to open a new branch around our locality, because our people cannot come this all the way. Even for me now, I'm exhausted. Though I came because of my face and also Ayub and his team, because of them we came here. And we are very happy to be here today. Thank you so much. Happy Ramadan. And we wish to work with you in every time we are available. Actually, we have been in this field for the past 6 years now. And we work with so many hospitals. But I would like to mention that TX will be our destination from today onwards. Thank you so much.
To success your goal, there are 3 points: cooperation, coordination, and follow-up. While our managers, doctors, and medical staff, especially our international team, is working to cooperate with the international patients. So our plan and program is to bring lot of patients for this hospital. So by the grace of God, Alhamdulillah, I am very happy to congratulate to Mr. Yusuf and Mr. Ayub and all this medical team. They are working hard, and inshallah they will bring patient for medical treatment. As our senior doctors are sitting here, madam is there, and she is also taking care about it. God give long life, prosperity, happiness. Be happy, smile. Eid Mubarak.
Good evening everyone, I'm Dr. Karan Patel, consultant orthopedic surgeon in TX hospitals. So first of all, happy Ramzan to all of you. And as you all know, at TX hospitals, we have all the equipments to do like all the orthopedic surgeries. We are performing more than around 10 to 15 knee replacements per month, and around 5 to 6 hip replacements per month. And arthroscopy, we are also doing arthroscopic surgeries like knee, shoulder arthroscopies, and all trauma, obviously all trauma surgeries as well. Pediatric orthopedics and hand surgeries. So we are performing all the orthopedic surgeries. So hope you'll support us as well. And thank you once again, and happy Ramzan.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद। मैं उर्दू में बोलता हूँ, सब इंग्लिश में बोले, मैं उर्दू में बोलता हूँ, चलेंगे। तो सबसे पहली बात, मैं बहुत खुशी महसूस कर रहा हूँ आप सब माशाल्लाह डॉक्टर्स के बीच बैठ के आज, और ये जो हॉस्पिटल है TX हॉस्पिटल के बारे में बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया गया। जो आपकी इंटरनेशनल मार्केटिंग टीम है, मिस्टर अयूब, मिस्टर हसीब साहब मेरे भाई से ज़्यादा है माशाल्लाह, बहुत ही वेल नोन पर्सनालिटी है गल्फ़ के लिए, और हमारी आगे कोशिश रहेगी कि गल्फ़ के ज़्यादातर जो लोग ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आते हैं इंडिया, तो हम चाहेंगे कि यहाँ टीएक्स के ज़रिए इनका अच्छा सा ट्रीटमेंट हो, क्यों अच्छे अच्छे डॉक्टर्स मुझे मतलब सीनियर डॉक्टर्स है, डॉक्टर हसन है, डॉक्टर श्रीकांत सर है, डॉक्टर नारायण सर है, तो मैं इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर असिस्ट करूँगा आपके इंटरनेशनल टीम के लिए, क्यों मैं पूरे गल्फ़ का मैं प्रेसिडेंट हूँ, मैं 23 ईयर्स से तेलंगाना, तो हमारे ऑल ओवर द गल्फ़, सऊदीया, कुवैत, क़तर, बहरीन, यूएई, स्पेशली यूएई में मेरा हेड ऑफिस है, तो हमारे 285 मेंबर्स है, उसमें डॉक्टर्स भी है, इंजीनियर्स भी है और स्कॉलर्स भी है, बिजनेसमैन है, तो वहाँ से हम यही करते कि अपने एडवाइस, यहाँ पर हैदराबाद में काफ़ी लोग आ चुके थे, लेकिन अब मैं चाहूँगा कि ये जो टीम है अच्छे मतलब टैलेंटेड टीम है आपके, ये जो टीएक्स हॉस्पिटल की, और ख़ास तौर से मेरे दोस्त हसीब भाई मेरे भाई से ज़्यादा है, और मैं बहुत ही अच्छे से मतलब समझ गया हूँ कि आप लोग की एक तो अफोर्डेबल है यहाँ का ट्रीटमेंट यहाँ, तो वो हिसाब से मैं यही एडवाइस करूँगा कि वहाँ से जो जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आएंगे, तो आपके हॉस्पिटल से ये फ़ायदा उठाएंगे और इलाज पाएंगे। और मेरी दुआ है कि आप लोग की अभी दूसरा ये ब्रांच है, जैसा कि डॉक्टर अहमद, डॉक्टर मोहम्मद बोल रहे थे कि टोली चौकी में इधर उधर, तो मेरी दुआ है कि जल्द से जल्द आपकी ब्रांच बढ़ते जाए, और नॉट इन ओनली इन हैदराबाद, पूरे इंडिया में भी आप लोग के ब्रांच जल्द से जल्द बहुत तरक्की हो, कामयाब हो।